Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor. And today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks of things that you can do at home on a regular basis to prevent headaches and migraines from starting in the first place. So number one, get regularly adjusted. So when your body the joints are really moving well, the muscles are functioning the way that they're supposed to, and we don't have a lot of stress on our nervous system, we're much less likely to get headaches. Other things we need to be paying attention to. Make sure that you are well hydrated. A lot of times people get headaches because they're actually dehydrated. Eating right, so not eating a lot of inflammatory foods, so things that really bring the inflammation up in your body can also trigger headaches. Actually having a little bit of caffeine, if you feel like a headache is coming on, can be helpful. Don't overdo it. Don't have like a whole pot of coffee, but a cup of an 8-ounce glass of coffee or tea can be really helpful. Just that little bit of caffeine will actually vasodilate the blood vessels in your head and neck and can help to mitigate any kind of headache symptoms. Taking magnesium. So magnesium is an essential mineral in our diet. Oftentimes we don't get enough of it. We can get it from leafy greens and avocados and nuts and dark chocolate. And it can be really helpful because it is what I call the great relaxer in the body. So calcium, which we're all familiar with, actually activates a lot of things in the body, and magnesium does the opposite and relaxes. So it relaxes blood vessels, it relaxes our digestive system, it can relax our nervous system as well and can decrease pain. So there's a few things you can do. Getting regular exercise so that we have really nice, good blood flow and we're releasing a lot of those feel-good hormones can also help us to prevent headaches and migraines. Those are just a few tips on some things that you can do. Hopefully you found that helpful. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.